Class 9, Chapter 3, Constitutional Design. We know that in a democracy, the rulers are not free to do what they like. There are certain basic rules that the citizens and the government have to follow. All such rules together are called constitution. As the supreme law of the country, the constitution determines the rights of citizens, the power of governments, and how the government should function. In this chapter, we ask some basic question about the constitutional design of a democracy. Why do we need a constitution? How are the constitution drawn? Who designed them and in what way? What are the values that shape the constitution in democratic states? Once a constitution is accepted, can we make changes later as required by the changing conditions? One recent instance of designing constitution for a democratic state is that of the South Africa. We begin this chapter by looking at what happened there and how the South Africans went about the task of designing their constitution. Then we turn to how the Indian constitution was made, what its fundamental value are, and how it provide a good framework for the conduct of citizens' lives and that of the government. This is Nelson Mandela, who was a South African anti-apartheid revolutionary after who served as president of South Africa. He and 7 other leaders were sentenced of the life imprisonment in 1964 for their daring or oppose or apartheid regime in this country. He spent the next 28 years in South Africa, South Africa's most prisons in Robben Island. Struggle against apartheid. What is the apartheid system? Apartheid was the name of system of racial discrimination unique to South Africa. The apartheid system was particularly oppressive for the blacks. They were forbidden from living in white areas. They could work in white area only if they had a permit. There is a segregation policy for blacks. Segregation policy means in trains, buses, taxis, hotels, hospitals, schools and college, libraries, cinema halls, theater, beaches, swimming pools, they were all are separate from them. Okay, blacks could not form any association or protest against the terrible treatment. Black and whites had separate churches. Those who protest were killed or sent to jail. And the Nelson Mandela also go into jail against this protest. And the non-whites didn't have voting rights. So in this way, the white oppressed the black, but still the black people didn't give up and continue to defend. This protest was led by ANC. ANC means African National Congress. African National Congress and some white people also supported them. This protest lasted for many years and many people died in it. But the result was that whites has to bow down and South Africa become independent, and today it is a democratic constitution. But there was a lot of trouble behind this constitution. The trouble behind the constitution are, for example, the oppressor and the oppressed were planning to live together in the new democracy. Number 2, white and blacks didn't trust each other, and black want the majority to rule and equality in the country, and white want the protect their privilege and property. So here is the contradiction and struggles. The struggle increased after the independent. Now let's see the main points of South African preamble, which is given in this chapter. First, we must know about preamble. What is preamble? Preamble, an introductory statement in a constitution which states the regions and guiding value of the constitution. Here is the main points. Is first, after 2 years of discussion and debate, they came up with one of finest constitution of the world. And second is, this constitution gave its citizen the most extensive rights available in any country and provide equal rights. Number third, everyone was a part of in the making of the constitution, no matter what they had done in their past. So it is all given in African Constitution, page number 50. Okay. Black leaders appeal to their fellow black to forgive the whites for the atrocities they had committed while in power. The South African Constitution inspires democratic country all over the world. What made this change possible was the determination of the people of South Africa to work together to transform bitter experience into the binding glue of rainbow nation.